guys, Javier from That Racing Channel. We're out here at TX2K20, and right behind me we have a brand new C8 Corvette.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
204.60 foot time. And look at it go, top end quarter. 12.11, 118. If you didn't know, now you know.
This thing went 12.1 at 118, bone stock, just off the foot brake. Now he's going to use launch control, and I think he's got like a 100 shot of nitrous, so let's see what it does. We're gonna take the new C8 Corvette for a ride. Let's do this. So when'd you get this thing?
Thursday.
Thursday. Already at the drag strip.
Yep, put some nitrous on it.
Is this the first one down the strip, or?
Yeah, this was the first one. I know another guy just went, I think in the last hour, but we're the first one on the strip. And,
Dude, that is awesome.
I think the first one was nitrous, so we got to work out some bugs. It's having an issue shifting in a second, but we'll work all that stuff out.
So you already got nitrous on it, so you were just itching to get to the strip.
Oh yeah, yeah, we calculated it, got over here and ready to go.
Hell yeah, man. Man, the interior in these things, they stepped it up like big time, dude.
Big time, yeah. Doesn't feel like a C6 or C7 anymore, so.
It's not a bad thing. I mean, I love them, but it's nice change, right?
Yeah, a little more comfortable now. You can actually do a launch if you want to.
I'll do yeah. Launch it on the highway? You're speaking my language. God, it's like a little cockpit in here, man. It's sick.
It's nice.
Sick, man. It shifts so crisp, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, this platform is gonna be so beast. And during the pull, I'm like, God, it sounds so nice behind me, and it, you know, just hit me.
Yeah.
You know? Damn, that is rad, man. And just for those that probably heard the wind noise here during the pull, that's not the car. That's not the build quality. I didn't have the window down, because I know otherwise people would be talking. Dude, this thing is so much fun.
You want to spray it?
Yeah, dude.
We're gonna spray it in second because we had that issue in first.
Yeah, no, for sure. Let's do it. So what do you got to do to activate the spray?
Just got a little button right here.
Nice. Purge back there. Whatever you do, press the red button. Oh yeah. Yes, dude. Whatever you do, press the red button. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Feel it hit?
Yeah.
Feel it hit, bro? Went through the gears good?
Yeah. I should have done that. Should have sprayed it in second instead of first, because it shifted fine in first, going to second. Next time.
Next time, man. So the first pass you did was just foot brake, right? 12.1
Yeah,
at
foot brake,
118.
No launch control, no nitrous, and the mile an hour is pretty close.
This thing is awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna try to iron some stuff out and go to Ennis and make a couple more hits. Have some fun.
Nice, man. So does your shop primarily work on Vets or?
Yeah. C5, C6, C7, and now the C8. So we're the first guys in the DFW to have a vet for, you know, tinkering with. So we'll make everything that we used to make: 15-inch conversion, headers, exhaust components, suspension components, carbon accessories for aero stuff. You know, large front splitter, big rear wing, and you know, cater more to the drag racing side. We're primarily, or used to be, focused more so on road racing, but we're going to come around to this straight line stuff and start tinkering.
Nice.
So it'll be fun.
Rev it up. Hell yeah, dude. Thanks so much for the ride, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Let's go ahead and take a look at the nitrous setup and all that back there. Alright guys, so we just went for a ride in this thing. It is awesome.
All right, so got our winners, runner-ups coming up here.
We got here. Look at that. They said it was for like golf clubs and all that.
Yeah.
That
We don't need golf clubs.
nitrous bottle, baby.
I see the little guy back there that's going to take my job
Man,
about
it's
10 years.
a little
right?
tight back there, huh?
Yeah, tight. There's some turbos right here though, so
I think this was purposely made for
Bring him in here.
the extra sauce.
Bring him in.
Nitrous, a couple of turbos, whatever it might be.
more fun.
For
Yeah.
sure.
You drive.
So, you guys gonna rip this thing apart soon or what?
Oh yeah, we'll start tearing it apart, you know, on Monday.
You guys aren't wasting any time.
No. We got it first pretty much in the DFW, and we'll start tearing it apart and post some pictures of that. It's gonna look pretty wild.
Hell yeah, man. Well, we'll have to follow up for sure.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Earlier we had a drum of fuel and a nitrous bottle in there.
Hell yeah, man.
The bare essentials.
No, I mean, not too bad.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is rad. I love the way that the new styling looks, man.
Nice.
They killed it. They killed it, man. So the new interior.
That was one of the conditions we
pretty
agreed
sick.
to allow us to actually do the race. So that's why we don't have a formal
Look at
awards
that.
presentation amongst a whole bunch of other
awesome.
stuff.
Hey, real quick, Pete, I got Marcelo Duran up here, your heavyweight pro winner, Marcelo. I got
Champ.
short mic for congratulations, man. How you feeling?
I'm feeling great, awesome. It was a great race, so close.
Hell
Well,
yeah.
I hope we can have more fans here,
Dude,
but
that's
you're
awesome.
going to go home happy man, right?
I'm very happy. Yeah, I'm blessed.
Sweet.
Blessed, so blessed.
All right.